Hello guys, in this video I'll be giving you a quick overview of WordPress dashboard. So let's go ahead and log into our website. This is my website's dashboard. So you have to understand what all this thing means and when to use them. All these menus, you have to know when to use them. This is your dashboard. You will see a sub menu, home and update. Now this one will take you to the home page of your website. This one simply tells you the tools that have been outdated that you need to update. So if you click on this guy, it will show you those things you need to update to make your website work effectively. So you see, you have to update these things here. I'll tell you what theme means when we get there. So you come over here. This is post. If you hover on this post, you'll see all posts, add new categories and tag. Now for this displays all the posts that you have on your website when you click on it. While this one, if you want to add a new post, you click on it. This one is if you want to categorize the content of your website, then you add the categories here. If you want to tag your content, then you click on this. So this guy is different from this guy. Don't worry, later on in this course you'll get to understand them better. So this media, if you want to upload all the images you want to use and design your website, you can click on this and then you upload all the images at once. Now you click on this and you will be able to upload all the images. Let's click on library. Let's see. So there is no media items found. You want to add a new image. Let's say you want to add a new items here. You click on this guy. So that is it. So for pages, now if you want to add pages to your website, you click on this. Now this guy, if you want to see the pages that you have added on your site, you click on this comments. You know, when you start writing posts, people will be commenting on your website. Now this is appearance. Now if you want to add theme to your site, a theme is a template and style sheet that defines the appearance of your website. So it is a theme that determines how your website will look like. It determines the appearance of your site. So this is the theme. You want to edit your theme. Or please, if you're a beginner, don't try this because this can alter your website. Don't even try to come over here. So here, if you want to add a plugin to your site, now a plugin is a tool that adds functionality to your website. Don't worry, in the process of this course, you will get to understand how this thing works. So this is user. If you want to add user, for instance, now I am the only user in this website. If you want to add someone and give that person a role on your site, let's say maybe you are very busy and then you don't want to share your password as an admin with another person, but you want that person to have access to your site and then write posts for you or do some things for you, you can add a new user here, then set a username and then allow the person to set password. But however, when it comes to this site, you are the real admin. Then you can change the role of that user. You can make the person to be an author, an editor, or whatever, but you know you are the administrator. So that means no matter how many users you add here, you have the right to remove them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a user so that you see how it works. So I come over here and click on add new username. Let's say Victor 111121. Then email. Just choose my email. First name Victor, this guy Effiong, then I can click on this website Scholar Prime, then I can generate password. So I'll copy this password so I can add that user. Then you select the role of that user. Let me select that user's role to be an editor and I will add user. As I have added this user, I will just send this password to that user and then that user will be able to log into my website and then update posts and whatever. So let's say I don't want the user again on my website and I want to delete the person. I will just come over here. I don't want the person to have access to my website again. I will just come over here, click on delete. Confirm deletion. So you see, the person cannot have access to my website again. So that is it. So you want to add new user here. If you want to change your password, the password that was generated for you by WordPress in the process of installing WordPress, you don't want it, you want to change your password, you can come over here. You click on set new password, input your password, then you update profile, the password will be changed immediately. Here you come over. If you want to import your website, let's say you exported the content of your site and then you want to import it back, you click on this. But before you are able to import those things, there are so many things you need to do. There is a plugin you need to install for it to work perfectly. You want to export, you do it here, site health, export personal data, and the rest of it. This is settings. If you want to change your site title, you come over here. Now with this you can change your site title here, your tagline, and so many other things here. But as a beginner, whatever you don't know, please ask questions, because you can alter your website. So you want to change the date format, you come over here, the time format, you save changes. Now writing. Alright, so writing, you can set your default post category to be uncategorized. Now what we have here is just uncategorized. Now I will show you in the later part of this course how to add categories on your website. So when you do that, if you come over here, you have a lot of categories. Now this one will be default. Maybe you don't really understand what I mean here, but in the process of learning this course, you will get to know it better. So here now, reading. Now this reading setting helps you to set how your home page will be displayed. Let's say you have different pages, home page, about us page, contact us page, and the rest of them, and then you want to make your contact us page to be your home page. You set it here by just clicking static page. You select the page. I don't have any page on this side yet, that's why you are seeing sample page. You click on it, and then you select your post page, and then you click on it. And then if you want to set the number of blog posts that must show at most, here it's already 10, so you can decrease it, you can increase it, and that is it. So discussion, this one is mostly if you want to design a forum. So permalinks, this is very, very important. So permalink will help determine the link structure of your URL. Now I will advise you to select on this post name, so that once let's say you drop the post now, it's going to be your site, the link of your site / the post, and then you save changes. So I'm going to stop here for now. So in the next video, I will show you guys how you can install WordPress themes and plugins, so we can get started with the design proper. See you guys in the next video.